Have you ever ordered an interactive screen and thought, I'm going to retire before this thing even arrives? Well, meet Hugo, a former headmaster who ordered an interactive screen, has retired and is still waiting for his to arrive. Thanks for your great work, Hugo. Since the pandemic happened, all you hear from vendors is, we have a delay because of stock. Stock hasn't arrived. We don't have the stock to service your order. And while you're nursing that pulsating blood vessel to the right side of your head, you wonder, why didn't you order stock before selling it to me? Well, we listened to your thoughts, and we did. We ordered 675 units of the brand new Promethean V.9 ActivPanel, which just released, so we can give you the best offer we've ever done. It's called Installed in 15 Days, or it's free. Yes, so the moment we receive your order, oh, there it is. We have 15 days to guarantee the screen will be installed in your classroom and ready to go, or it's yours absolutely free. For full terms and conditions, check out the document in the link below. And these are Promethean interactive screens, the highest rated education interactive screen in the world. You know why? Because they're a UK-based global brand that only makes screens for education and has done so for 25 plus years with hundreds of thousands of screens in classrooms around the world. And as part of this offer, you get the latest V9 model, either standard or premium 75-inch, where you don't need a PC, pre-built lessons with built-in software, your own card to start your own profile, and a writing experience that rivals the iPad. And for a limited time, it is more cost-effective than any other brand on the market right now. So, you get the best education interactive screen on the market. You'll be one of the first in the state to use this version at the absolute best price, and K2AV will even guarantee we'll install it within 15 business days. What more do you want? We'll even throw in Hugo,